Cary in east central New Mexico until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Ute Lake State Park, or 13 miles northeast of Tucumcari, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tucumcari, Logan, San Juan, Glen Rio, Ute Lake State Park, Whelan, and Bard. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 334 and 373. State Road 104 between mile markers 104 and 105. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Harding and San Miguel.